regular in
सर बस
these
कल
days?
एब्सेंट था।
Very good. So one of the example related to solution of second order differential equation by RK method, it is solve y double dash minus xy plus 4y equal to 0, y of 0 is 3, y dash of 0 is 0 for x equal to 0.1 by RK method. Prior to this, we have discussed about the numerical solution of ordinary differential equation by RK method. In the previous class, we discussed about how to solve the simultaneous differential equation. So one of the equation is given to you in the form dy by dx is equal to function of xyz. Other differential equation is given to you in the form dz by dx is equal to g of xyz. Accordingly, the equations are to be substituted with the k as well as l, and we find out the answer. One of the extended part of this particular topic RK method is solve y double dash minus xy plus 4y equal to 0. What does y double dash represent? Y double dash represent the second order differential equation. So RK method enables us to solve or give the solution for the second order differential equation as well. But yesterday in the previous class we saw that how the second order differential equation by the proper assumption of z can be easily converted to a pair of differential equation. So though it appears to be first second order differential equation, we will be converting it into the pair of simultaneous differential equation, and then all the earlier process is applicable. So here we have this equation is written as d2y by dx square minus xy plus 4y is equal to 0. So I write this as d2y by dx square is equal to xy minus 4y. Right? What is the assumption over there? Assumption over there is dy by dz is equal to z, that will be considered as f of xyz. I told you always one of the equation will be z is equal to which is treated as f of xyz. So d2y by dx square means dy by dx ka derivative, so which gives you dz by dx. So I automatically get the two differential equations. One of them is dy by dx, other one is dz by dx. d2y by dx square is written as d dx of dy by dx. d2y by dx square is written as d dx of dy by dx. But what is dy by dx assumed as? Dy by dx is assumed as z. So this becomes dz by dx. And what is dz by dx? Xy minus 4y. So our first differential equation is dy by dx is equal to z, which will be taken as f of xyz. Second differential equation is dz by dx, which is g of xyz, xy minus 4y. X0 is the initial value, y0 is 3, y dash is nothing but a z. So it will be z naught equal to 0. Now the initial value what I will have over here is z naught equal to 0. H is 0.1 because I have to estimate the value for 0.1. So y1 will be y of 0.1, which is y naught plus k. Z1 will be z of 0.1, which is z naught plus l. As you saw in the earlier cases, k is 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. L is 1 by 6 times l1 plus 2 l2 plus 2 l3 plus l4. Right? So here what is our function? Our function dy by dx means f of xyz will simply be z. If you see here, our function will be z, and in other cases here function will be xy minus 4y. Clear? I hope this is understood well. So accordingly you have to simplify and get the answer. F of h into f of x0 y0 z0. H is 0.1. 0.1 multiplied by function of 030. But what is that function? Z. Z is 0. So 0 into 0.1 will be 0. Clear? L1 will be h into g of x0, y0, z0. xy minus 4y multiplied by 0.1. That will be the value. Now for obtaining K2, this is x naught plus h by 2, right? Y naught plus K1 by 2 and z naught plus L1 by 2. So I am concerned only with L1 by 2, right? Because here the function is simply z. dy by dx, that is f of xyz क्या है आपका? Only z is there. So minus 1.2 divided by 2 is minus 0.6. Right? So minus 1.2 divided by 6 is minus 0.6. That is only the function. I hope you have understood this. Is this portion clear? All of you are noting down properly? Mandar Bhatkar?
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes, sir.
confusion in substituting the values? Did you understand what function we have to take or consider?
Yes, sir.
Yes, still there is any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Similarly, calculate K2 and L2. What is K2 coming out as? Minus 0.06. Is this the case? L2? L2 is minus 1.185.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
तो f of 030 की जगह 0 कैसे आया सर?
कहाँ पर?
ये k1 is equal to h f of x0 y0 z0.
ये जो है
हाँ,
x0 का वैल्यू कितना है? बताओ. What is x0? This is what? Function of x0, y0, z0. Right? So h is 0.1 multiplied by, what is this x0?
0.
x0 is
x0 0
0.
0
y0?
y0 is 3
z0?
y0 z0 is 0.
0. Yani, what does this mean? This means that whatever will be the function of xyz, in place of x I will put 0, in place of y I will put 3, in place of z I will put 0. ये बात क्लियर हुई? f of 030 का मतलब ये समझ में आया क्या? f of xyz जो भी रहेगा उसमें x की जगह क्या पुट करोगे? 0. y के जगह क्या पुट करोगे 3, 0 किसके जगह पुट करोगे z के जगह। अभी मुझे बताओ f ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड क्या है आपका? यस, व्हाट इज f ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड?
सर जेड।
z, तो z की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? मंदार आई एम आस्किंग टू यू, आपको देखकर बताना है, बोलो।
dy by dx
अरे dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू क्या है?
xy minus 4y is equal to
is that dy by dx? What
dy
is
by dx is equal to z
z? What is z? Z is denoted by what?
f of x y z
हाँ, तो f of x y z अभी क्या हो गया?
z हुआ
z, तो यहाँ पर z की वैल्यू कितनी है?
0
0, तो आप 0 इंटू 0.1 क्या लिखोगे?
0
0। सेकंड लीजिएगा, h मल्टीप्लाइड बाय g ऑफ x0 y0 z0। g ऑफ x0 is 0, y0 is 3, z0 is 0। यानी whatever will be g of xyz, in that g of xyz, x will be 0, y will be 3 and z will be 0। What is g of xyz? Our function defined by,
xy minus 4y
हाँ, तो x के जगह क्या लिखूंगा मैं अभी?
x के जगह
What will be x over here? यहाँ देखो ना, मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूं उसको।
x is 0
x is 0, y क्या रहेगा?
y 3
3 माइनस 4 इंटू वाई, 4 इंटू कितना आएगा?
4 into y 3
3, तो कितना आ रहा है उसका आंसर? 0 माइनस 12, माइनस 12, माइनस 12 इंटू 0.1 माइनस 1.2। आई क्या बात समझ में?
हाँ समझ गया सर
हाँ। What is K2 coming out as? Others? What is K2? K2 is minus 0.06. Have you calculated K2? Did you calculate L2?
L2 सर 0.1 आ रहा है।
L2 0.1?
हाँ
What function you have taken? xy minus 4y?
हाँ
Did you take the value here? X naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2, z naught plus l1 by 2?
सर के y0 प्लस k1/2 2.97 आया मेरा।
y0 plus
k1/2
k1 by 2 क्या आया?
2.97।
बेटा k1 कितना है?
k1 माइनस नहीं k1 0 है सर। मैंने
तो 0
z
by 2 0 होगा ना,
हाँ हाँ
तो फिर वो y2 तो चेंज ही नहीं होगा ना,
हाँ सर हाँ सर मैंने गलत वैल्यू डाल दी थी।
3 का 3 एज इट इज रहेगा। सी एफ में जो अपन ने एक्स वाई जेड लिए थे वही एक्स वाई जेड रहेंगे ना L2 में भी, ओनली द फंक्शन विल बी डिफरेंट, राइट?
हाँ सर
See, here I have calculated the values na, x, y, z. How is this x obtained as? This x is obtained as x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2, z naught plus l1 by 2। तो ये फंक्शन सिर्फ f है, ये फंक्शन क्या है? g है। ओनली दैट इज द डिफरेंस। जो एक बार निकाल लिया वो तीनों एज इट इज रहेगा दोनों के लिए, और k2 as well as l2। Is this clear?
यस सर।
So what is it coming out as now? Check, please.
-1.185।
Yes, yes, yes. So L2 comes out to be minus 1.185. अभी K3 के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? x नॉट प्लस h बाई टू एज इट इज रहेगा, राइट? y नॉट प्लस k2 बाई टू, k2 बाई टू यानी y नॉट प्लस माइनस 0.06 बाई टू, राइट? एंड z नॉट प्लस L2 बाई टू means z naught plus minus 1.185 by 2. Is this clear?
सर z की तो टर्म नहीं है, फिर भी क्यों कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं?
नहीं है तो अरे बट इसमें है ना K2 K3 में लगेगा ना, K3 तो प्योरली z है ना,
हाँ
K3 में f में पुट करते ना, f क्या है? प्योरली z है ना।
हाँ हाँ सर।
L2 G में नहीं है, G में सिर्फ xy माइनस 4y है, बट f में तो z है सिर्फ, तो उसके लिए z लगेगा।
यस सर।
Is this clear? So accordingly we calculate the values and put it. So please check what is K3.
Yes, sir. Minus 0.05925.
Okay, 4 places तक ही लेना है, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
And L3 will be with the same values, but that is to be substituted in G of XYZ. So L3 is minus 1.1731. L3 में आप वही वैल्यूज लोगे, x प्लस x नॉट प्लस h बाई टू, y नॉट प्लस k2 बाई टू, z नॉट प्लस L2 बाई टू. Only function will be different. F is z, g is xy minus 4y. Clear? What is L3 coming out as?
Sir, minus 1.17315.
Okay, right. Then you have to calculate K4 and L4. I will recommend you to write down the values and verify it later, right? In K4 क्या रहेगा? X naught plus H, Y naught plus K3, Z naught plus L3. Here by 2 is not there if you see the formula, right? So calculate L4,
Yes, sir.
K4. हाँ, अभी main important point is why I have written answer only in form of Y. Why for Z it is not calculated? Yes. we have got the equations for z as well as y, but final answer will be for y because original differential equation contains y double dash, means solution of that differential equation will be y. We have converted it into the pair of simultaneous differential equation for our convenience, right? But that is not the expected answer. We are not expecting the answer for z, we are only expecting the answer for y. But directly the second order differential equation was not solvable, therefore we converted it to simultaneous equation. So though you are calculating k4 and l4, but I am interested only in value for k and value for y1. What is y1? Y1 is y of 0.1, which is y0 plus k, and this will be the required answer for the given differential equation. The given differential equation contains only y, not z. So we have got the solution for the second order differential equation. Clear? Did you get the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down the answer. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Practice problem लिख लो. d2y by dx square is equal to y cube for x equal to 0.1. See, when you convert this d2y by dx square, one equation dy by dx is always z because that is the assumption, right? And other equation is this. One equation is always assumption, other equation is the derivation or deduction from the given question. F of xyz will always be z because dy by dx is f of xyz, and dz by dx whatever will be generated from the given equation, here it will be y cube, this will be always g, right? Did you understand this, what I'm trying to say? By the proper assumption, if you do the comparison, it will be in the same manner, right? So d2y by dx square is equal to y
Sir.
cube. Yes.
सर डाउट था सर.
हाँ.
सर इसमें सर y के लिए वैल्यू क्यों निकाला जाता है वो फिर से बताऊं सर.
अरे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में हायर ऑर्डर कौन सा है, हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर? डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कैसी दी है बताओ.
डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर.
हाँ, तो उसका जो सॉल्यूशन है वो कैसे रहता है, y इज इक्वल टू सी एफ प्लस पी आई, है ना? जो भी अपन ने हायर ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन पढ़ी होगी, बिफोर दिस आल्सो यू हैव लर्नड द सॉल्यूशन फॉर हायर ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो इफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज dy by dx or d2y by dx square, the solution is y is equal to. सो मेरा का इसमें आंसर सिर्फ y का ही निकालना है ना.
हाँ
बराबर है,
समझा सर.
हाँ. बट ये डायरेक्टली सॉल्वेबल न होने के कारण I split it with the assumption into differential equation simultaneous form. आई क्या बात समझ में? हाँ, इंडिविजुअली जब साइमल्टेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया रहेगा तो y और z दोनों चाहिए, बट जब डायरेक्टली सेकंड ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया रहेगा तो ओनली मुझे y का ही वैल्यू से लेना देना है. पर z में कन्वर्ट करके सब बीच में क्यों लगता है, क्योंकि फॉर्मूले में सारे रिक्वायरमेंट है. बट फाइनली मैं यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे तो L नहीं निकालूंगा और Z0 प्लस L नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ Z. आई वॉन्ट ओनली वैल्यू फॉर Y. इज दिस क्लियर नाउ? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Noted down the
Yes, sir.
answer
Yes, sir.
for this. Okay. So one of the function will always be z. ये भी समझ में आया क्या कि f हमेशा z क्यों रहेगा आपका? assumption है, right? If you see, observe
Yes, sir.
minutely, f will always be z and g will be the original differential equation. Noted down this answer. Is this question second question
Yes,
also
sir.
written? Yeah. Note down this. We finish up with the higher order differential equation, that is, so second order differential equation with RK method. Completed with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So kindly try. If you have any confusion, you can ask me, right? So this part is over. The very last topic what is remaining is largest